I've had troubles with my fan on my 2001 Ford Ranger, and I've done some different, what we want to call redneck checking. Not a lot of fancy tools at all. I've pulled the resistor out. I've checked the resistor, made sure that all of the wires are in good shape, and where it goes is directly down beside the right side of the fan. Now, I wanted to check my fan to make sure that it wasn't burnt out. So all you have to do is run a wire from the ground and a wire from the positive. Unhook your fan with the two clips here. This is the wire that goes right directly to the fan. And I've hooked the, doesn't really matter, positive or negative. You hook it up and you touch the two together, and you know it's not the fan motor. So we've determined that it's not the fan motor and it's not the resistor. So then if you go on the other side, you have a relay for your fan. Your relay sits right here. Now this relay is the same as this relay and this relay. Normally it's never the relay that's causing you not to have any fan motor, or when you turn on your dial inside you have no fan at all, so it's not going to be more than likely your relay. What I have found with this 2001 Ford Ranger is a fuse in the fuse box burns out regularly, and that's in your fuse box panel is the center fuse right here of 15 amp, and that's what we found wrong with this 2001 Ford Ranger. Thank you for watching.